Pitter-patter, raindrops fall, clouds, little animals hear the call. Let's play outside, they all say. Funtale Kid brings a rainy day. Happy Charlie. And Puppy says, whoop, let's jump around. Splash in puddles on the ground. Tail goes wag, ears go flop. Jumping in the rain, never stop. Pitter-patter, splash, splash, splash. Rainy fun goes by so fast. Great kitten says, meow, I love the drops. Wiggling whiskers, little hops. She wears her boots and a red raincoat and sails a leaf like a tiny boat. Drip, drop, what a day! Rainy fun, hooray, hooray! Bunny hops with a pink umbrella. Rain is cool, says the hopping fella. He spins and twirls with fluffy feet, dancing to the raindrop beat. Dear! They hop, hop, hop and twirl around. Rainy joy is all around. Duckling waddles, splish splash feet. Rain on wings feels nice and sweet. Quack, quack, he sings in tune under the clouds and the silver moon. They quack, quack here and splash, splash there. Rainy fun is everywhere. Begin to fade, the rainbow shines above the glade. Little animals wave goodbye to rainy fun under the sky. Pitter patter, time to dry. With Funtale Kid we laugh and try.